Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to put videos side by side in CapCut. In order to do this, you first have to launch CapCut, and after that you need to import those videos in this section. For that you will have to click on import, and after that you need to select those videos. Once done, you just have to drag them in order to add it into this timeline. Now once these videos are added in your timeline, you just have to choose the second video and you just have to drag it on the top of the first video. After that you just have to align them properly. Now once this is done, you will first have to select the first video, then you just have to resize it. After that you just have to place it. Then you will have to select the second video, then you will have to resize it, and after that you just have to place this video just right next to it. Now if you play this, then you will notice that these two videos are playing side by side. So if the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.